Hi guys, we're here in at the Alturas Mall looking for Little's beddings. We're looking for Little's bed mats because she's having a big puppy's litter, but we can't find any. Yeah, that's the good one, Daily. We'll stick to the floor. That's the only one. Maybe I can sew that. Hi guys, we're here at Jollibee. There's nobody here. And Anna is here.
Hello everyone!
Oh, ouch! Happy na tagal kong cellphone. And Mitch is here. He's just his cell below.
I'm gonna run and get my camera. Yeah, this is mine.
Okay, we're having a Mitch.
We have some fun.
Mitch just arrived.
Yeah, I come last night.
Yep. And Anna is here.
Yeah. Anna, she's on the moon now.
Hey guys, it's so nice, really. We're having a snack here. Mitch treat us. Here's Philip. Hi guys, I'm here inside the multi-cab. We just done adult shopping. Buy some groceries. You know, as every first week of the month we do our grocery, and I've just sat here because Philip wants to pick up 2x2 wood for Little's room, because Little's going to have a puppy's sooner. So while I'm sitting here inside the multi-cab, it's so hot outside, guys. I'll just take a quick video here. Look at the traffic here. You should see the traffic here. So that's LBC there. That's our LBC. And next to LBC is the Pacifica Agrivet. See the LBC. And next to Pacifica is a bake shop. So here is the guy bringing the wood. Hi, Kuya! And Philip's running towards here. And this is Alturas Mall.
Yep, that's good.
And we come up here very early, really, because we want to go home early too.
Come on.
And so now it's 11 o'clock. There's so many nice cars down here too. No?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, alright. You watch out. Where are you leaving now? Wow. There's the church here, Catholic church. It's so big and nice. Oops. So just going to San Francisco, our house. And here is the highway. Okay. Hello guys, we just arrived from town, and it's so hot really. I wish it will rain soon. You know, when we while we're supposed to be go home, we met Mitch there in town, and Anna, and just coincidence that we we met there. Then in fact, Mitch, we're really surprised that, and Mitch just arrived last night, he said, and they invite us to have to eat in Jollibee. So we went there, and we just we're just so happy. We met him, we see him back again, and Anna too, and they are a good couple, a good friends too, and it's so lovely talking them again. And I am just so happy that he 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 go back home quick. So I guess guys, this is good for today, and I would like to say thank you so much for your time. Thanks for your likes and comments, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for that guys, and may God bless you all, and have a great day everyone. Stay tuned, I'll be back later. Bye.